session, that is part 5 percentages. I welcome you all. So the key for the part 4, you'll be getting part 5. Kindly go through in the description box. So in the part 5, you'll be seeing the very first question. If you see the very first question, the meaning of the question is that 25% is increased by a group of students joined, and also the average weight is also increased by weight of the particular class also increased by 25%. Now he's asking, what is the average weight of the class is less than that of the group of boys joined. So if you go through the question, you can get that meaning. So kindly go through the question. Once you know the question, then try to attempt the question. Now if you see the process in the detailed process, question number 1, let number of students be n and average of the particular students be x. Therefore, total weight of students be nx. Therefore, original weight of the students now is given as, that is 5n by 4 into 5x by 4, it is nothing but 25nx by 16. Therefore, weight of the students who joined is nothing but 25nx by 16 minus nx, that is nothing but 9nx by 16. Therefore, average weight of students joined, is nothing but 9nx by 16 by n by 4. That is nothing but 9x by 4. Therefore, weight of the class, so asking is that weight of the class is nothing but 9x by 4 minus of x by, that is 9x by 4. Therefore, there is nothing but 5x by 4 of 9x by 4. X gets cancelled, 4 gets cancelled. Therefore, 5 by 9 into 100% is nothing but 55 5 by 9%. This is the answer. So friends, if you see the detailed process, it's very much lengthier. The solution is very much lengthier. Kindly do not follow this type of solutions in the examination point of view. It's my sincere appeal. Now if you see the shortcut is that original weight be 100. Now the new weight is nothing but 125 because 25% is increased. Now new weight by the sum of the original weight plus new weight, that is 100 plus 125, that is 225 into 100. That is 25 5s are 25 9s are 500 by 9. It is nothing but 55 5 by 9% is the right answer. If you see here, that new weight is 125. New weight by sum of original plus new weight, that is 225. Therefore 5 by 9 into 100 is nothing but 55 5 by 9%. This is the shortcut. It works for all sums. Kindly just put it for another sums also and try to solve this question. Question answer is 55 5 by 9%. Number 2 here, he has given as m is equal to 3x plus 4y square plus 5z cube and x is increasing by 72.8%. So this is the data he has given. So most of these questions, the answer will be what is the value of x raised. The answer will in most of the questions, in any of the questions, the answer is nothing but what is the value raised of x. That will be your answer. But in our way of shortcut, if you see here, if 720.8 is increased, 72.8, if take away this point here, if you add 728 to 1, that is 1728. Similarly, 44 also if you add, that is if you put 1 beside of 44, 144. If 144 is nothing but, it is 12 square. And 1728 is nothing but, that will be 12. If you see here, when 44 and 72.8, you see here 12 cube and 12 square. 12 cube and 12 square. When the same value is in the case of exponents of cubes and squares, definitely the answer will be what he has given the very first value. That should be your answer. There is no doubt at all. So you have to keep in mind this thing. But if you want to do in the detailed process, now let us check it out here. X is raised by 72.8 is now you see here 4 that he has given y power of 4 by 3 as 44. Now I am adjusting that y square is nothing but y power of 4 by 2 of power 3 by 2. It is nothing but 4 by 3 of 3 by 2. 3 gets cancelled, 4 by 2 is nothing but y square. I just here. Therefore, this can be considered as y square. I am considering as 100 of what is y power of 4 by 3 is given here. That is 44. This can be written as 1.44 whole power of 3 by 2 minus 1. Therefore, 144 is nothing but 12 square. Square gets cancelled. 12 cube. What is 12 cube here? That is 100 of 1.728 minus 1 into 100. That is nothing but 72.8%. So y square is 72. Y square is given as 44. Now what we got after squaring of this thing, we got as 72.8. Similarly, z square also is given 44. Z square is given as 44. Then z cube automatically becomes 72.8. Therefore, this 3x is increased by 72.8. Y square is increased by 4y square is increased by 72.8, and 5z cube is also increased by 72.8. Therefore, m should also be increased by 72.8%. So this is the answer. Question number 3 here. So on rice, the percentage increased by 25% due to the reason of person decreases consumption by 24, and decrease of 20%, a person raises consumption by 30%. So before increase and decreasing, what is the ratio of wheat to rice? That is the question. If you go through the question, that will be understand. If you see here shortcut, for 25% he reduced by 24. What will be 100? There is nothing but 96. Simple. If 20% is decreased, so he bought 30k. What will be 100? That is nothing but 150. Therefore, the answer is 150 is to 96. Therefore, 3 table 350s are and 332s are. 25 is to 16. That is the answer. The answer is ratio is wheat to rice is nothing but 25 is to 16. If not, directly put the values. 25% is raised, decreased by 24. 20% is decreased, 30% raised. Directly cross multiply it. Therefore, 25 into 30 is to 24 into 20. Therefore, 2s are 3s are 25, 3s are 75 and 48. 3 table 3 25s are and 3 16s are. The answer is 25 is to 16 is the answer. Therefore, it is a logical based, purely logical based question. It is given in one of the examinations, that is entrance based examination, that is CAT in 1994. So if you see here, a person got at the end of the year 1998 as 9 dozens of sheep. So it is a question of sheep. 9 dozen of sheep. So at the end of the at the starting of the year is adding P%, and the ending of the year is selling Q%. So P greater than 0 and Q greater than 0. In 2002, after 4 years also he observed the same figure what he had initially in the 1998. So you forgot about the 1998 and 2002, all these things. But the options he is given as, the first option is P is equal to Q, P less than Q and P greater than Q. And fourth option as P is equal to Q by 2. These are the options given. So in what case the original value should remain in the next of addition and decreasing also. Now let us consider the base value for 100. If I add a figure 10 to 100, that will go on and reduced by 10%. If a common figure is, for example, we are checking the case for P is equal to Q. We are checking for the case for P is equal to Q. When a common figure is added to 110 and then subtract by 10%. So when a common figure is added to a certain thing and it is reduced by same figure, always the formula is x square by 100, always loss. Therefore, that is 10 square by 100, that is always loss. 100 by 100 is nothing but minus 1%. So 100 minus 1, that is 99. So our figure should remain in the later case also the same figure, but it is not matching here. So P is equal to Q is the wrong answer. So this option is very much clearly, by seeing this, the P should be greater than Q. It is clearly saying that P should be greater than Q. Now let us check it here also. Now let us consider the original figure as 100. If we add 25% to 100, that will be 125. If you take away 25% plus 125, what is 20% of 125? That is 21s or 25s are, that is nothing but 25. Simply 125 minus of 25, that is nothing but 100. 100 of 100. When this case is solved, there is a P greater than Q because 25 is greater than 20. The answer is P greater than Q is the answer. Option 3 matches. So friends, question number 5 to 8. This question depends upon data. As I said at the very beginning of the percentage topic, that we will be getting questions from data analysis also. So if you see the question, if you see the data here, the data is between that. We got two versions of car. One is petrol and diesel version. That is Shyam is driving diesel and Kailash is driving petrol version. So petrol car, the average is 20% more that of diesel, and also he said that it is known that see whatever the data in every data with a single point the entire questions will solve. So you have to find that particular point. So if you find here the particular point in this data is nothing but, if you see here, it is known that 60% of its own is higher than the diesel car is given. This is the last line of the paragraph is given. If you see the last line of the paragraph, that is the very key point here. See, it is not the case of adding 60 to 100, it is not the case of adding 60 to 100, but it is nothing but the difference between the petrol and diesel rate is nothing but the difference should maintain with 60. That is the key point. So the key point is very much important. Now if you come to the questions, now is asking what is the ratio of Kailash to Shyam car in the rate, the cost per kilometer. So I don't want to explain these questions in the very detailed process because data analysis are directly I will be solving in the shortcut. Try to find out. Now if you see here, Kailash's car, Kailash is 20%, the average is 20% more to Shyam. That is average 20% more to Shyam. For example, if Shyam is of 100, that will be 120. And also is saying that the rate must match. For example, the rate of Kailash petrol is 100, the Shyam rate should be 40 because the difference should be 60. That should be keep in mind very carefully. This is the most important point. This is the key point in this question. Therefore, if you see Kailash is to Shyam, the ratio is 120 into 100 is to 100 into 40. Therefore, if you see here, 100 gets cancelled. What is 120 is to 40? The answer is 3 is to 1. The answer is 3 is to 1 is the right answer. Option 1. So friends, if you see the answer for question number 6, the answer for question number 6 is nothing but can't be determined because though the Shyam average is 20 per kilometer is given, but the rate of either petrol or diesel haven't given. So we cannot find the answer between the difference of these two cars. The answer is can't be determined. You see the question number 7 here. Question number 7, we have to do comparing with question number 6. In question number 6, Shyam average is given as 20, and Kailash is in the very beginning of the data has given said that Kailash is 20% to Shyam more. Therefore, what is 20% of 20? 20% of 20 is nothing but 4. If we add 4 to 20, Kailash average will be 24. Therefore, Kailash is to Shyam. Therefore, if you see the rate 24, if you take Kailash, consider as rate as 100 rupees per liter, and Shyam is 20. This should be 40. The difference should be gap of 6 parts, 60. Therefore, 0000 cancel here. 24 is to 8. Therefore, the answer is 3 is to 1. So, option A is the right answer. We see the question number 8 here. Question number 8 here saying that Kailash, Shyam is spending 12.5 rupees on diesel. And if you see the last point here, Kailash is 50% of the price higher. So, the difference between petrol and the diesel rate should be 50%. There should be a difference of 50%. Now, he is asking the difference of between the two rates, two prices of petrol and diesel. Now, if you see here, if 12.5 is diesel means definitely 25 rupees should be the price of the petrol because 50% more. The difference should be 50%. Therefore, if you see here, petrol is 12.5 into 20%. Is asking to consider as 20% of the average of Shyam. 20% is nothing but 0.05 minus of Simply for minus of 25 into, that is nothing but, this is Shyam case and this is Kailas's case is nothing but 25 into 0.06. 25 into 0. Simply that is nothing but 25 into 0.06 minus of 12.5 into 0.05 is nothing but 0.875 rupees. So the answer is 0.875 is the right answer. Friends, question number 9 and 10 is also depends upon the data analysis. So as I said in the previous question that in every data, in each data, the point, a single point is most important, the key point. That single point should be considered as key point. Now the key points in the data of 9 and 10 question, if you see here, the percentage of questions is nothing but the percentage, the total marks, 60% of the total marks. The number of questions in A should be the 60% of the total marks. That is the one point. And also is saying that at least, the word at least is most important. It is not exactly, at least. So 60 or above 60, no problem. At least 60. So these are the 2 points is the key point. Now you see the question number 9 here. B got 23 questions. Now how many questions should C got? C should get. Now the answer. Now we have to find how many questions in C should have. So according to the options I considered as one question. So 23 into 2, that is 46, and 1 into 3, that is nothing but 3. And A should be 23 plus 1, that is 24, means remaining questions is 76 into 1, that is 76. Therefore total marks is nothing but, that is 125. Now if you check it down here, A, that is 76 by 125 into 100. Therefore 25 4s are 25 5s are 4 6 are 24, that is 304 by 5, that is 60.8%. So at least, so it is 60, above 60. So what is the option, what I taken here, that is absolutely right answer. You see the question number 10 here. Question number 10 is given that C has 8 questions. Now is asking how many questions we should have. So yes, according to the options is given 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14. So you can see the options. But this question is very much related to the question number 9. So in question number 9 we have taken as 23 into 2, that is 46 marks here. And C as 1 into 3, that is 3, that is total marks as 49. Now if you see here, in the question number 10, C got 8. 8 these are 24 marks. So how many marks is less? That is 25 marks. 25 by 2. 25 by 2 is nothing but 12.5. So obviously it must cross 12.5. So it must cross 12.5 means definitely B should have 13. 13 2s are 26. So 13 2, so it must cross 12 questions. That should be, the answer is 13 questions. 13. So B, the answer is B, 13 or 14 is the right answer. Now if you want to check it down here, if A, C is 8, B is 13, and A definitely there will be 79, because 8 plus 13, 21, plus 79 into 1, that is 9, but 79. 26 plus 24, that is 15, plus 79, 129. Now check it out for B. B is equal to 26 by, that is 129 into 100. 129 into 100. If you see here, 2600 by 129. If you see here, 129 2s are, that is 258 clearly. That is 20 point, obviously we will be getting 20, above 20. So the answer is what I have taken, 13 is the right answer. 13 or 15 is the right answer. So friends, from, as I said, that percentage, we divided percentage into 5 parts. That you can clearly see that the range of the questions from very low level to high level we planned. As I said, we continued from part 1 to part 5. So in each part we had placed 10 questions in each part. So 50 questions up to part 5. So the explanation for this 50 questions of the description box questions will be getting, that is in part 6. We are also making another part 6, the solution for all these 50 description questions. So friends, if you are new to my channel, if you are new watching my channel, kindly subscribe and share it and like it and tap the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.